very good morning from Sarahan. Yesterday we had started from Chandigarh and travelled almost 300 kilometers and reached Sarahan. So when we were at Sarahan, it was almost 10 p.m. and we were dead tired. So yesterday we did not see around anything. But today, this morning, when we woke up to a very, very, very beautiful view. Sarahan is really beautiful. I think the gods were really in a good mood when they had created Sarahan.
The best part of a Spiti road trip is that you get to explore not only Spiti Valley but also Kinnaur. And if weather permits, you also get a glimpse of Lahore Valley after crossing the Kunzum Pass. Let's explore Sarahan first.
We are staying at this small and cute homestay named the Heritage Sarahan. This has some small cozy rooms, and from the balcony you get great views of the mountains. So breakfast is Sarahan. We are having aloo paratha with butter and methani, and this is a local made garlic pickle which looks pretty tasty.
And now we'll go to explore the Bhimakali Temple. The temple is at a walking distance from our homestay. Bhimakali Temple is an ancient temple of Himachal Pradesh dedicated to goddess Bhimakali, the presiding deity of the former Pushar rulers of the region. This princely state was located on the ancient Hindustan-Tibet road. Earlier, the palace and the temple were within the same complex. With time, the temple remained here and the palace is now located a few meters away from the Bhimakali Temple. Bhimakali Temple is also said to be one of the Shakti Peeths of the Hindus. It is believed that the left ear of Sati had fallen down here. The temple is revered and lots of people come to the Bhimakali Temple and offer their prayers with devotion, with the belief that the goddess will grant them their wishes. The temple is almost 800 years old, dominating the skyline of Sarahan. The architecture is a blend of Hindu and Buddhist styles. The striking feature of the temple is the two towers. The deity of goddess Bhimakali is inside one of these towers. There are other smaller temples in the Bhimakali temple complex as well. After paying our respects to the deities, we came out of the temple. There's a small marketplace in front of the Bhimakali temple. This is also the bus stand. This is the royal palace of Sarahan. There's a small road beside the Bhimakali temple that leads to this palace. The palace is quite beautiful. We also saw several apple orchards all around, but this wasn't the apple season. There is also a Tragopan breeding center here. You can visit there if interested. After exploring Sarahan, it was time for us to leave towards our next destination. We will be entering Kinnaur today. Did you know? Sarahan is also known as the gateway to Kinnaur. Now, as you travel on the NH5, let me tell you about the bus services from Sarahan. There are two direct buses from Sarahan to Shimla, one at around 11:30 am in the morning and the other one at around 5 pm. A better option is to go to Rampur. You will get buses to Rampur from Sarahan every 2 hours. From Rampur, you will get a lot of bus services to Shimla. And if you want to head towards Kalpa or Rekongpio, then head towards Juri, about 18 kilometers from Sarahan. And from there, you will get many buses towards Rekongpio or Kalpa. This is Taranda Mata Temple, located about 10 kilometers from the start of Kinnaur district. The local drivers pay their respect to the goddess for safe journey at this temple. After all, now starts some of the most dangerous roads of India. There is some roadblock. Yes, right after Tapri there is a roadblock, so we took a roundabout route. This route was quite scenic but quite rough, bumpy and dusty. Finally, we are back at the main road. We got the NH.
So right now we are at Recompu. This is the biggest town before reaching Kalpa. These are the big market areas. So if you want to buy anything, medicines or anything, you can buy from here and then start your journey. We are already running 1 hour late. So we're jaldi going to have our lunch and then head towards Kanchwal.
Now we are taking the roads towards Kalpa. As usual, the scenery is just breathtakingly beautiful. I felt like I could stay here like forever. Finally, we made it to Kalpa. Hope you liked our journey through the roads of Kinnaur Valley. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts and comments below. And in the next video, we are going to explore one of the most insanely gorgeous places I've ever visited. So please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you do not miss any of our videos on Spiti Valley.